Okay, hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name
How are you today? Okay, very good. Now look at these pictures. Can you point? Where is the hand? Okay, just point. Where is the hand? Hand. Is this the hand? Okay, where is the hand? Can you point? Okay, hand. Okay, point. Okay, point. Where is the hand? Hand. Okay, now where is the sheep? Sheep. Sheep. Where is the sheep? Okay, only these pictures. Where is the sheep? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Now look at this picture. Can you count how many rose plants can you see? Rose plants. Okay, count. How many? Okay, it's okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you.